Well, hello there, my little sweet potatoes. It's me, William Andrews, a man who looks like a pack of cards you might find in a scout hut. No, I don't want to talk about my hair. Why don't we talk about stupid things you've done today? This week, a little bit different. No, it's not different. It's exactly the same. It's just... Thank you very much for your kind messages about Purge the dog from last week's episode. I'm not sure if it was entirely clear in that episode that, well, some time has passed. Time is a great healer, but I'm very, very grateful. I'm going to be more clear that this is future me talking about things that happened in the past. Maybe I should write future me on the screen. I might do that. I don't want you to think like I'm messing you around like some teenage boyfriend. Yes, he drives a car, but he has 2 phones and he won't let me see either of them. And he keeps calling me Angela when my name is Chris. My name's not Chris, my name's Will, and telling a story, it's kind of a joke. Who knows what this is? Is it art? No. Is it television? Also no. Is it a breakdown? Possible. Stay tuned. Apparently you're only supposed to have 60 seconds of music on a certain social media platform. There's rules. I know. It's a bit like finding out a psychopath wants you to take your shoes off before you come in the house. We're just having the living room carpeted. I know I ran over your cat with the lawnmower, but you gotta have standards. So yeah, the last little bit is just going to be some bashing and crashing, and then past me will say something, and then maybe we'll do this again next week. I feel like we're at the middle eight of our relationship. Is this a relationship? I feel like it's a relationship. It's a relationship of sorts, but one in which the honeymoon period is well and truly over. Those things that I did at the beginning that you might have thought were cute are now, frankly, grinding. My point is, stay. Stay for the kids, or kid, which in this analogy is the shed, which is like, I don't know, almost finished. And, I'll be back next week with a bit more of an upbeat attitude. And thank you for tuning in. It's been a tough week. Cannot recommend it. 0 stars. Although get a dog, because they're lovely. And well, I don't know. I'm done.